Some nice bronzino from Costco. They actually have pretty good fish from there, not gonna lie. Perfect for smoking too. Just a little bit of salt. Keep it simple. Good. I'm gonna be using this Weber Smoky Mountain. Pretty decent smoker. Not my favorite, but you do everything manually, so you have more control over it. Then I got some just bamboo sticks that I'm gonna hang them on. You don't need any of this stuff. Have some good natural charcoal. Don't buy any of the other nonsense. Like this. Put this over. It'll be lit in about like 20 minutes. I'm gonna take some regular string. I'm gonna tie it through the mouth. I like to hang the fish instead of putting it on the grill. I don't like the grill marks either. Not my favorite. Just do a nice little knot. Looks good. Not too long, not too short. So these are all done, all tied up. So what I have here is some olive oil, crushed up garlic, and black pepper. That's all it is. And I'm just gonna rub down the inside of these. This is the way I like to eat it and smoke it. Keep it simple but really tasty. Just a little bit in each one. It might fall out while you're smoking it, but it's not a big deal. You'll get some of that taste. These are ready to go. The charcoal is pretty much all lit up, so I'm gonna put these to the side. I'm gonna set them up. So what I have here is just some bamboo sticks that I made. I just fitted them wherever. Maybe about, I might just cut this a little bit. I'm not going to use all of it because it's going to be way too much and it's going to cook it immediately, so I'm just going to monitor the temperature, do a little bit. This should be plenty. I'm just gonna close up all the vents here so it doesn't get any air, so it doesn't start any fires. And then I'm gonna close this somewhat, as much as I can. Keep this slightly open. And then I'm gonna throw in a few chunks of wood. You also don't want to let it get any airflow because it's gonna just gonna start a fire and you don't want that. So just close that up. I'm just gonna keep checking on this about every like 25 minutes, adding some chunks of wood, seeing how it's doing. Make sure it's not too hot. Smoke it at around like 150 degrees for about like 3 hours. And keep adding some wood. I'm using some hickory and I think some apple wood. Starting to look pretty good to me. They have a nice color. I've been smoking for about like 2.5 hours. Nice deep color, golden. I'm just gonna add a few more wood chunks to finish them off. Give them about another half hour. Then they should be good. I'll take them off after that, and then I will put them in the fridge after they cool off. Just get a few more chunks. You don't need a lot of charcoal to smoke these. Looks good to me. It's been about 3 hours. I think they are done. It's still smoking, but I think I'm just gonna pull them now. They definitely look done. You can tell pretty much just by that white stuff leaking out that they're fully cooked. Look at the color on that. Looks incredible. Beautiful piece of fish. Bronzino. Looks unreal, not gonna lie. Bronzino is probably my favorite fish. One of my favorite fish. They're such a clean, juicy white fish. So versatile. I'm gonna let these cool off. Take a sip of beer. And then wrap them up and then put them in the fridge so they can cool overnight. And then tomorrow I'm gonna eat these with a nice brew. So I'll see you then. Get a nice piece of parchment paper. Most important, cold beer. Pilsner, Modelo, whatever you like. Just a real beer. Nice sip. Pretty much just dig in. It's the way that we like to eat it in Eastern Europe. Summer, the hot days, the best snack. It's such a good fish, even from Costco. Perfect for smoking. Really white, juicy, clean, meaty. Get a little bit of that fish. And then some of that garlic. Nothing else like it. Give this a go. You definitely won't be disappointed. Look at that. Perfect. Until next time.